As a Microsoft 365 admin, have you ever needed to access a user's OneDrive and you get an access denied error? Frustrating, right? The good news is there is actually a way to access users OneDrive without compromising the security. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access users OneDrive and then remove your access securely once you are done with the job. So let's start the video. So I'm currently logged on to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And I have a user, Adrian Shah, and I want to access Adrian's OneDrive as an admin because I might have to do certain tasks on user's OneDrive. Now, if I go directly to user's OneDrive, as you can see in the URL, that's Adrian's OneDrive, I get access denied as a admin. Even if you are a global admin, you will get access denied because you cannot just access someone's OneDrive. But there might be situations where you probably need to access a user's OneDrive for certain reasons or to perform certain admin tasks. Now, in order to do that, you'll go back to your admin center and you'll go under users, active users, and you find a user. So I have a user. I'm now going to click on the user's name and this little pop-up will open. Under the OneDrive, if you click on OneDrive, there is actually a section which basically says get access to files, which basically create a link to view and edit Adrian Shaw's OneDrive files. So I'm going to click on create link to files. What it's going to do is it's actually going to create a link for me to access Adrian's OneDrive. Now it has created a link. If I click on the link, I can now access Adrian Shaw's OneDrive. Now what happens in the background is it basically adds my account as a site collection admin to Adrian Shaw's OneDrive. So if you have to remove this link, what you will have to do is you'll have to go to a SharePoint Admin Center. So I'm now logged on to SharePoint Admin Center and I'm going to click on More Features. Under More Features, you will see User Profiles and I'm going to click Open. So under User Profiles, I'm going to click on Manage User Profiles. Now we have Find Profiles and I'm going to search for Adrian. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this and it'll give me a few options. So one of the options is Manage Site Collection Owners. So if I click on this link, we will see that my admin account is basically added as a site collection admin to this user's OneDrive. So this is site collection administrators. Adrian Shah is a site collection admin and I'm also a site collection admin. So to remove my access to Adrian's OneDrive, I'm now going to delete my account from site collection admins list and click OK. So once this is done, if I go back to Adrian's OneDrive and reload this page, I'm going to get access denied. So this is how you can actually access someone's OneDrive. Well, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new and you can now access users OneDrive. If you have any comments, feedback, don't forget to put it into the comment section. And again, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.